the snowman. Oh, wait. That's wrong. Frosty the Tollman was a towing man with cold man eyes with a butt as a nose. Frosty the Tollman and drinks a lot of souls. He came back one day. He had suck up Freddy and one ran and ate them. Story time with Freddy. Yada! Okay. Back to the real video. We could have paused that, but I'm walking instead. What water fountain? Yeah, that was a quick tour. Okay, yeah, there you go. Oof. Sorry about that ruckus. Is it recording? Yes, it is. So, here's my bulldozer. It's a very nice bulldozer. I'm gonna leave my bulldozer alone for minutes. I'm Zeph Plays, and I'm an evil clickbaiter. So I'm going to say this bulldozer and crash into Fazbear. Woohoo! Sorry if I made you deaf. I'm not sorry because I'm evil. Actually, I'm sorry. Never mind. Just look up a nose. That's good. There we go. Get this for Christmas. Okay, so I'm here, the end of that. I hope you can see me, or you're blind. So I'm right there, yeah, I'm right there. So, yeah. Wait for that bear. Heh. Crap. I have to climb. There we go. Now I hit him. I'll wait. Hello, I'm gonna go on my bulldozer, and I'm gonna sit on this bulldozer, and I'm gonna drive my bulldozer. I'm gonna sit. Oh, crap! Ha, ha, ha. I told you I was the evil Zeph Plays. He's evil. He's a clickbaiter. Oh! That was me!